What's so good about the new Deriv affiliate dashboard? In this video, I'm going to cover an overview of the new Deriv affiliate, and I'm going to tell you at the end of this video what I like most about this dashboard and how it can actually convert more customers to actually sign up. It's something that actually struck me compared to the old one. So if you are not familiar to what Deriv affiliate program is, I've done a video which I'm going to add a link in the description of the overview of the Deriv affiliate program and how you can actually benefit from it. Please do go and watch that video. And if you are also have not gone through the old Deriv affiliate dashboard, I've actually done a video on that as well. I'm going to add the video in the description. And for those of you who don't know what Deriv is a trading platform that a lot of people use, and a lot of people have actually taken advantage to join the Deriv affiliate program that rewards them for sharing the Deriv platform. Before I go any further, again, I want to emphasize that this video is just for education purposes. Please do be mindful that you can make money from the Deriv affiliate program, or you may not. Your results depends on your effort. So the first thing that you see on your left panel, which is the dashboard is very clean compared to the old dashboard, because right now it's not cluttered. I've just got my hands on this one. It's not cluttered. As you can see that there is no clicks, nothing. I've just created an account. In order for you to create an account on the new Deriv affiliate platform, you have to create an account and then wait for approval from the team. And then I'm going to go back to the referral links, because that's the way I really love most, because I'm going to do that at the end. That's where the most of the things are that I really love. And then here there is the profile. Basically, I'm sure that's the profile where you can actually edit your account and things like that. And then payments, this is where you can see the commission reports. And if I click on the commission reports, you are going to see that there is literally nothing on there on the commission reports, because I haven't started promoting the dashboard. And then if I go to the partner area, so there is the commission plans. If I click on the commission plans under the partner area, you are going to see that there are different plans that you can actually get, and the leads and the people that have converted. I love the idea of having leads here. Okay, so if you don't know what leads are, these are people that have just signed up and maybe they have not become clients, or they've just submitted their emails and they're still being nurtured to become clients. And my marketing material, I've had a look at the marketing material as well, and I love the materials that they have on the marketing, because it makes it easy in terms of the designs. Some of you guys don't have design skills, but these are some of the banners that you can use on your website or on your WhatsApp profile or anything in between. And then there is logos and PDFs. I checked on PDFs on the old platform. They were cool PDFs, but on this new platform there is no PDFs. I'm sure that they are yet to add that. And then there is my clients, and then there is my partners, and then there is clients activities reports. Definitely here there is nothing, even a click on that, because this is a brand new account. And then there is the support button, and now there is also at the bottom there is also ID and my name, and then the country manager. Depending on where you are, you'll be able to see the country manager on here, the person that you actually be reporting to. So in my case, I'm actively talking to my country manager. I do have their contacts. Whenever I face problems, I speak to them. And then still on that, on the top bar, there is some time, and then there is a message icon, and then there is the email, and then there is the languages that is there. I've also tried to open this from a mobile, and it's mobile responsive. It means that you can access it on the mobile. Now, to the good part that I really love about this. So what they've done is, if I go to my referral links, what they've done is Deriv has done a very great job from a marketing perspective. they've just added 3 things that you can actually do. And then the first thing that there is the revenue share plan, and this is the link that they have actually added there. And then the turnover is again another link here, and then the master affiliate is another link here. So the master affiliate basically is by if you need to invite other people to become affiliates. So that means you are like the master affiliate, the person who has signed up, and they start referring others, you get paid through that. And then there is the ref share link, and then there is the turnover link. Okay, so that's the links that are there. And what I don't like about let me see. What I don't like about something that I don't like here is the idea. I'm trying to find one of my navigation tools here. Okay. Okay. One thing that I don't like about the links is when I first got here, I tried to highlight this, okay, and I struggled a couple of times, but I then realized that there is the menu that I can just click on that I can just click on copy link. So this should be somewhere on top here, you know, that I just don't have to click on the menu, and then I can just copy my link. Okay, it should be something that maybe is user friendly. I don't know about you, but I found that, you know, kind of weird. I mean, having to click here. And then if I can click on edit, I'm not sure what edit is all about. Let me see if I can click on the edit option. So the edit option basically is not working. Maybe I need to click on create channel. And if I click on create channel, I don't know what this, how this works. This is for clients and user-friendly link. So user-friendly link basically is a link that is user-friendly. So my username, my brand name is Kuda Online. I could just use channel name Kuda Online, and then I'm just going to go here and say Kuda Online. So what it means is that, let me see what I've actually created here. So this is my link, and then if I copy the link, let me see what it looks like. Let me see what it looks like. I'm going to try and paste the link here. Okay, I'm still yet to learn about this. Okay, I'm still yet to learn about. Okay, so there's the link. The link that's there is Kuda Online and things. I'm still yet to learn about this. So on the good part now is that let us have a look at these links, how they look like when someone actually opens compared to the old Deriv dashboard, and how I love working with these links. Okay, this is going to be a very good game changer. Okay, so right now I've actually opened my old referral link. What it simply means, when people clicked on my link, they would land on this website for Deriv, and then they have to read through. As they read through, they have to click on create an account, then create an account. So at that moment, that's when you lose people interest, because when some people may not have the audacity or the time to look around and things like that, and the new link is something like this, which is really amazing from a marketing perspective. What you want to do is, you know, give people a little bit of information and a very good headline here, and then once they enter their email address, they create an account and they can use these social login buttons, and then of course the disclaimer is at the bottom. Once they do that, they become a lead, and then it's recorded on your system. And I'm sure with this kind of system, Deriv now is going to be doing a lot of follow-ups until that person maybe becomes a client or not. This is a better way of getting more people to trade, and a very good way that Deriv has done an amazing job in terms of support. Okay, now looking at the affiliate sign up, which is the master IB, the old one looked like this. When you referred someone to become an affiliate on Deriv, they would land on a page like this where they enter a lot of things and a lot of confusing things. Things like your Skype ID. I don't know how many people use Skype these days, but I'm sure you are not one of them, because Skype hasn't been one of the platforms that a lot of people use, and quite a lot of things that are needed there. Okay, so this is the old sign up link, and then if you look at the new Deriv sign up link for affiliates, it's quite simple, straightforward: first name, last name, email address, password, and confirm password, your telephone number. Voila, you register. No other information. So this is quick and easy to sign up, and of course, once you sign up, the compliance team has to look at your circumstances and maybe approve or disapprove your account, or if you have anything to communicate with them, then you can communicate with them about what you need. So in closing, what can I say about these new changes that Deriv has actually done? I'm gonna clap hands for the amazing Deriv team that are, looking at the user experience and improving their product over and over and over again. Again, if you are an affiliate for Deriv, make sure you make use of this new dashboard, because from a marketing perspective, this is a high chance of converting. Okay, so with that said, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions for me, please do leave a comment. I'll be more than happy to give you the answers that you need, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.